Hi guys, David here again from Think Renewable. Another common question that we get asked is how do I read and understand my electricity bill? So I'm going to walk you through a simple explanation of how to interpret it all. So here on the screen we've got a Energy Australia bill breakdown. This guide's actually available on the internet. If you just type in how to understand my bill, it'll probably be the first thing that pops up. So usually first page on the bill is just your account details, NMI number, service address, and your name. It'll have the total charges and the billing due date. And then a bit cheeky, they put all the details of how to pay them because they want you to pay the bill as quickly as possible. So they'll give you all the payment options down the bottom there. Next page, page 2, is usually when you have your breakdown of how much you've been charged. So this one here is for a 92-day period. So it'll have the billing period, which is the dates to and from. In this example, 30th of April to the 30th of July. And then you'll have a breakdown of your charges. So this person has 3 different charges on the bill. First charge is the peak consumption, which is just their general usage charges. Using a lot of power, this home, 4,400 kilowatt hours over that 90-day period. And then how much they're billed per kilowatt hour, so 38 cents in this example, and then the total cost. Then they have off-peak, which is typically a dedicated circuit for hot water, which is charged at an off-peak rate to use when the power is not as expensive. In this example, it's 16 cents per kilowatt hour. And then on everybody's bill, you'll always have a supply charge, 92-day period, work at $1 a day. So it's typically usually about $100 over the billing period. You'll then have any feed-in credits from any excess solar PV if it's a bill after you've installed solar. And then you'll have any credits that are on there. So you typically can get senior credits. Certain governments will do electricity credits on bills as well at different times of the year. And then you've got your total charges. If you've made any direct debits, it will have any payments received broken down on there. And if the retailer is giving you discounts for things like pay on time discounts or just a general discount as part of your plan, it will also have discounts before calculating the total amount. The last page is how many kilowatt hours a day you're using on average. So you can see the trend over the year, depending on which state you live in. Sometimes, for example, in Victoria, people are using more power in the wintertime than they are in the summertime for heating, etc. And in warmer states, you're typically using more power in the summer period because your air conditioning usage may increase. And that's how to reach your energy bill.